Busy Bee teachers, it's Miss Katie from the School Hive YouTube channel, and I wanted to introduce myself. I don't think I've gotten in front of the camera yet, but today I wanted to share with you what I'm putting in to my summer school packet. So if you watched the last video, I showed you how I got my binder and organization ready for summer school, but now I'm meeting the kids this week and I had to put some packets together. I know every district is doing something different. Some are actually meeting in person, yay! Some are doing virtual, and so my district is actually doing virtual, so I'll be doing it over Zoom and Google Classroom. But I made a physical packet that was sent out to students so that while we're on Zoom, they can get it out and we can do the problems together and read together. I have little students from like K through 3rd grade, so I felt like this was more appropriate for their age than trying to get them to learn about the computer without me there to help. So I hope this gives you some great ideas, so let's get started. The first thing, of course, I had to do was print out all of the pages that I needed. Next, I laminated a few of the pages. The first one that I laminated was this whiteboard. On one side, it has the alphabet showing the kids where the letters should fall on the lines, as well as lines to write if they're practicing writing a sentence. And then on the back side is kind of a blank whiteboard with numbers on the bottom to count and a little visual cheat sheet at the top to remind them that if they're adding, they should go to the right, and if they're subtracting, they should go to the left. Next is a 120 chart. I like using this because this is just a really great visual. Last but not least was this alphabet. Now you can see that all the letters are dotted, and this is because what we're going to be doing is practicing our handwriting. Now the reason I laminated all 3 of these things is because this is something we're going to be using every day, and I wanted it to last for the 20 days. Next is this coloring book. My plan is to use it about every other day. I found this awesome source called Art Kids Hub, so I plan on finding one that goes with that color for the day, and then us writing a word or two and drawing together. I also added some of the Dolch sight words, just basically as a guide for parents if they want to make flashcards and kind of see what words we're going to be working on. And then I had math packets. The next thing was a reading packet. So this was great. I used a combination of Bob books and Reading Naturally, which I will be sharing with you more about later when it comes to curriculum. I then threw in some crayons for directive draw and a dry erase marker to use on our whiteboard and alphabet chart. After I put everything together, I also threw in a hello sheet, just introducing myself to the parents and the students and letting them kind of know what programs we're going to be using and how they can get in contact with me. After all of that was done, I put them together and I put them in a big yellow envelope. And I sealed it and put their name on the front little tab, and then I turned them into the district office who mailed them out for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all remember to just be kind to yourselves during this crazy time, especially if you're doing summer school virtually. This is literally, I don't think, ever happened before for the most part. So just take it one day at a time, and really, there is no plan book for this. We're just kind of going as we go and seeing what works and what doesn't. You can also like and subscribe to this video so that you get updates on future videos. And as always, you can look for updates on my blog and Instagram. Those will also be linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, happy teaching.